to live in Zion Electricity, where everything is fully functional. Security guaranteed, electricity, water, good road network, drainages, and all of that. When everything is guaranteed to give you peace of mind.
The rush at Zion Electricity Phase 1 was much, and the demand was very, very high.
Yeah.
And we thought the best thing to do is also get our clients something that is very, very close to Phase 1, where they can also be able to invest, having missed out in the Phase 1.
It's currently in the market for 4 million naira, located in the heart of Ngopara, one of the biggest local governments in Imo State that houses the Imo Airport. It's currently housing the China Estate. It's currently housing the Zion Prayer Movement permanent ground, which had millions of people in attendance. This is a must buy for every investor looking to get good yields and returns on their investment. If I were you, I'm going to be hurrying now to call the numbers on your screen, because you know the trusted real estate broker here in the city of Owerri. What exactly is hindering you watching this video from investing in real estate? Call me, let's solve it.